Welcome to toy-polloi.
Hello and welcome to another video from toy-polloi, and this is a special Christmas Day unboxing. So first up, I want to wish everybody watching this a happy Christmas and thanks for joining me on this special morning. In front of me here you can see I actually have a very large box that arrived about a week ago from Craig in Cumbria. Now Craig has sent me some things before, and he did message me saying that he had sent me what would be classed as a main Christmas present. So back in the 70s and 80s when I was growing up, we would have sort of a selection of little Christmas presents, but there would always be one main Christmas present under the tree. And I think Craig comes from that same era. So what he has sent me here is a main Christmas present. Now, Craig has actually sent me stuff before. I've done an unboxing of some things that he sent me. So I have absolutely no idea of what is inside this box. So let's just open it up and we'll see what the Christmas present it is that Craig has sent me. Well, just by taking that wrapping paper off, I can see a little bit of a clue of what may be inside this box. So I've got another knife here, and let's open up this second box and see if it is exactly what it says here. So, blimey, this thing is absolutely massive, and I think the expression on Skeletor's face is pretty much the same as the expression on my face. I have to say, I wasn't expecting that to arrive here. So, Craig, absolutely massive thank you to you. This certainly is a main Christmas present. I think I'm going to quickly open this up and set it up on my desk so you can all see what it looks like. And I may have to come back to this later in the year and do a full review, but as it stands, I just want to get on and play with it. So, yeah, let's get this open up and see what the thing looks like. Right, this thing is absolutely massive. It's really too big for me even to film on my desk, but I've managed to sort of put it together enough that you can see what the playset looks like. It really is fantastic, and I can't thank Craig enough for sending this over. It is quite a surprise on this Christmas morning. I wasn't expecting anything like this, so yeah, Craig, thanks again for sending this over. I'm now going to quickly turn it around so you can see the front side of Castle Grayskull as well. As you can see, the front of it just looks as cool as the original one did, so I think I might have to find some way of displaying this with my original Castle Grayskull if I can find the space. It does come with all sorts of cool stickers and a big instruction sheet, so I will get round to putting those on later on, but I just wanted to get the set up so I could have a quick look at it and also show you guys what it looked like. So yeah, massive thanks to Craig for sending this over. This really was a very big surprise on Christmas Day. I hope you're all enjoying your Christmas days as well and have had plenty of toys arrive that you can play with. I do also want to do a big shout out to Nick James. His girlfriend Katie got in touch with me asking if I could mention him in a video, so take this as a special mention. Nick, I hope you're having a great Christmas all together there. So thanks to everyone for watching today. I hope you're all having a great Christmas, and I wish you a wonderful new year as well, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching toy-polloi. Subscribe for more great videos. You can also follow toy-polloi on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.